mighty sign. Enjoy yourself. Jamaican Empowerment Group, c'est la joie, c'est la joie, c'est la joie, c'est la joie. Faites un tour chez Jamaican Empowerment Group. Nous avons des programmes online parce qu'à cause du Covid, on ne peut plus se retrouver plus de 6. Aïe, aïe. Where you were, where did I am a mighty sign. Jesus, you like his sign. You like his sign. Jesus, you like his sign. What?
The material I gave you. Where is it? No. For sewing.
Inside the box.
Bring it out. Take it out.
I don't need a metata. Chez Jamaican Empowerment Group, ça ne peut qu'être la joie, ça ne peut qu'être l'amour, ça ne peut qu'être toujours avec le sourire sur la face. C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Yeah, yes, I will take it the time I finish this.
Do you know why I'm taking it? Do you know why? You don't know me. You're just shaking your head. You don't know me.
As soon as I finish this, I will take it out. Donc, pour tous ceux qui n'ont pas encore de masques, faites un tour chez My Grand Empowerment Group ou commandez vos masques parce que nous avons des programmes qui se passent uniquement online pour l'instant. Tous nos programmes, ça se passe online. Et pour tous ceux qui ont besoin de tenues africaines, passez vos commandes chez My Grand Empowerment Group. Donc, juste un coup de fil, on doit résoudre votre problème. Notre numéro de téléphone, c'est là qui est le 00 77, le 13, le 15, le 65, le 06. Donc, contactez juste la plateforme My Grand Empowerment Group pour pouvoir continuer à avoir le sourire sur la face. Nous avons tellement de produits que nous avons à votre disponibilité. Donc, nous avons des robes, des jupes, des tricots, je ne sais pas trop, des pantalons, des bijoux, des produits pour le visage. Nous avons des thés, nous avons des tea, nous avons des cafés pour nettoyer notre corps. Nous avons des cafés, le thé pour le détox. Parce qu'on doit nettoyer le corps de l'intérieur à l'extérieur. Donc aujourd'hui, en passant, on doit dire vraiment merci. On doit dire merci à Express of Star qui a fait un tour chez nous pour pouvoir prendre plus d'informations et nous aider à faire vraiment la publicité pour qu'on puisse aider ceux qui sont dans le besoin. Dans My Grand Empowerment Group, depuis la COVID, nous sommes beaucoup focalisés pour supporter les personnes vulnérables qui sont des personnes âgées et des enfants, des personnes malades aussi. Donc nous sommes beaucoup focalisés pour apporter toujours et toujours le sourire sur leur face et les aider. Étant à la maison, on peut toujours être concentré, on peut toujours être très occupé pour ne pas être frustré ou pour ne pas être traumatisé par le COVID-19. Donc, enregistrez-vous chez My Grand Empowerment Group. Le programme continue. Et nous avons le nouveau programme qui commence dès mercredi. Donc, enregistrez-vous. Chuba, 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 chuba. Allo me tata. Allo me tata. Allo me tata. Allo me tata. Donc, on peut même déjà retirer notre masque parce que là, nous ne sommes pas en train de sortir. Nous avons le masque parce qu'il y avait des invités qui tentent de Express of Star qui sont venus là pour pouvoir avoir l'entretien avec nous. Donc, du coup, nous étions dans l'obligation de porter nos masques. Donc, on doit dire merci beaucoup à la maison des publicités en Angleterre, dans le Royaume-Uni, qui est Express of Star. Merci beaucoup à vous. Merci de penser à My Grand Empowerment Group. Merci à supporter My Grand Empowerment Group. Merci encore. Donc, dans quelques jours, on doit envoyer le lien dehors pour que vous puissiez lire, pour que vous puissiez continuer à supporter My Grand Empowerment Group. Donc, le fundraising est ouvert, la cagnotte est ouverte pour tous ceux qui ont la main sur le cœur, pour tous ceux qui ont le cœur en or, de venir en aide pour supporter My Grand Empowerment Group, pour que nous continuions à donner le sourire et rien que le sourire à ceux qui ont des problèmes dans leur vie, à à ceux qui sont dans le besoin. Donc, Migrant Empowerment Group, pour l'instant, nous sommes focalisés des personnes vulnérables. Merci beaucoup, merci au cœur, merci à tous ceux qui m'envoient les cœurs. Merci aux personnes positives. Merci à vous. Merci, que le Seigneur soit avec vous, que vous soyez bénis. Vraiment, que Dieu vous accompagne sur tous vos projets. Enjoy yourself as you can, parce que il y a un proverbe qui a toujours dit: on n'aide pas quelqu'un parce qu'on est riche. On n'aide pas quelqu'un parce qu'on est belle. On n'aide pas quelqu'un parce qu'on est brillant. On n'aide pas quelqu'un parce qu'on est parfaite. On aide quelqu'un parce qu'on a vraiment l'amour pour son prochain. C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Donc, Migrant Empowerment Group, be proud of you. Be happy about you. Own your own destiny. Own your own destiny right now. Because by follow Migrant Empowerment Group, you will always be proud of yourself. You will always be happy. You will always own your destiny. Because making a difference on somebody's life, you don't need to be rich. You don't need to be beautiful. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be brilliant. You just need to care enough. Do you care enough? If you care enough, it means you are making difference in somebody's life. Are you with me? Donc, connectez-vous sur Migrant Empowerment Group pour qu'on continue notre challenge. Notre challenge, c'est jusqu'à la gare. Notre challenge, Migrant Empowerment Group, c'est une ONG enregistrée dans la Grande-Bretagne. Nous travaillons aussi à Wales. We support people everywhere in the UK. It's not just in England. We support people everywhere in the UK. We bring the smile on people's life in the international level. Our platform is for integration. Our platform is for integration. Our platform is for you guys to be proud of you. Our platform is for you guys to be independent. Our platform is for you to always have a smile on your face. Our platform is for you guys to learn new skills. Our platform is to love your neighbor. Love your neighbor as yourself. Love your neighbor as yourself. We have an online program. If you want to join our online program, just let the message. Drop the message and we will respond to you. We will put you in our program. We have a sewing session. We have a cooking session. We have a sewing session. Let me come. Okay, go in. Hello Fatiha, how are you, darling? How are you? Make sure you continue to be happy. If you want to register yourself in our program, just let me the message. We have a different program online because because of COVID-19, we cannot even meet together. Even if we come together, it's not more than 6 people. It means it's complicated. At the moment, everything we are doing is online. Everything we are doing is online. We can still planning for one-to-one session as we are always doing, because some people do not have time to come out because of their health issue. We know that. This is why our concept came out. Today we are more focused on face mask. We are more focusing on face mask. And we want to say today we are so glad Express of Star there was with us today to take some picture and have more information about what we are doing since COVID-19, and they will publish for people to register themselves, because we want you to register yourself. We want you guys to learn some new skills. We want you to continue be focused. We want you to continue be happy, because you know what? Be happy. Changing somebody's life, you don't need to be beautiful. You don't even need to be rich. You don't even need to be perfect. No, you don't need all that. You just need to care enough. You just need to care enough. Are you with me? You just need to care enough. In the moment you care enough, it means you are making difference on somebody's life. Ok? Donc, mettons encore un morceau. Nous enjoyons. Il faut qu'on enjoy. Il faut qu'on enjoy. Donc, pour tous ceux qui ont besoin de face masks pour leurs enfants, n'hésitez surtout pas. N'hésitez pas de contacter Migrant Empowerment Group. Nos programmes se passent online. Ok, nous avons des programmes sur WhatsApp, nous avons des programmes sur Messenger, nous avons des programmes sur Zoom. Donc, nos programmes depuis le lockdown, nous travaillons online. Et nous avons un nouveau programme qui commence le mercredi prochain. Donc, enregistrez-vous. Enregistrez-vous. Just register yourself to be part of our program, to continue learning new skills, to continue enjoying yourself. And our fundraising is open. And if you think you can make a difference on somebody's life, you can donate anything you want. You can donate anything you want to bring a difference on somebody's life, okay? Mary, Auntie Stella, you are welcome. You are welcome, sister, you are welcome. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Make sure you follow our platform. Make sure you share, because more you share, more we change people's life. More you share, more we bring happiness on people's life. You must enjoy yourself. You must enjoy yourself as you can. You can see our sister, she's really enjoying herself. She's really enjoying herself. She's in our center today because, you know, more than 2 people cannot even be together. Okay? And you know, because of the distance, our center is closed. We need to work online. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Make sure you continue follow Migrant Empowerment Group. Come on. Well done. I can see somebody, she's very happy here. I can see somebody, she's so happy. I can see how you are just so happy. Enjoy yourself as you can. I'm always saying, Isaac Vision Migrant Empowerment Group is a platform of love. Come on. I can see somebody, she's so happy.
I'm so happy. Where's the cloth?
Yeah, I will check. Let me finish.
You don't know why I'm telling you to take it out.
Migrant Empowerment Group, happiness, 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 happiness.
Can you take the cloth out? That's why I'm leaving you behind. Can you take the cloth?
You're watching now.
You're so naughty, you. You're so naughty.
Happiness is one place. Happiness is free, 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 free.
You're so naughty, you. Can you take the cloth out?
Yes, I will take it.
You don't know.
This mask, it's not easy. Oh?
I know. That's a bit. You know how I want to take you. I want to make.
Come and break. Come and take one. Come and take one. This is mine. This is mine. This is mine.
Listen, Alvin. You know, when I'm in hospital,
donc, pour tous ceux qui veulent apprendre à broder comme cette tenue, enregistrez-vous. Nous avons le programme qui commence mercredi prochain. Mercredi prochain, pour tous ceux qui veulent apprendre la broderie comme celle-ci, à partir de mercredi prochain, ça commence. Hein? Chuba, 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 chuba. Chuba, 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 chuba. Okay, let me check.
yes.
I don't know what you are talking about.
I know what I'm talking about.
Asking.
I'm talking about. You're going to be shocked. Just take it out to clean it.
You need to. It's not every day. Be patient. You are not going nowhere. Just be patient. Relax. Relax.
Okay, relax.
Relax.
Look here.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Do the exercise to relax. Relax.
Listen, there's
Look.
no breathe in, breathe out in Africa. Listen.
It's very good to stimulate your brain.
One day, no more. One day we will gather to fight no more.
Hold on. I know. Let me go back to your album to see what we are talking about. All this album you need to put together, my dear. No, I just play this one now. I just play this one now. Money, money. No, we don't want money, money. It's her. It's her. We'll play.
Marriage is a union between man and woman. It's been a life-changing experience for me. And that's why today I want to say thank you to my husband. If it were not for him, I'll be nothing today. Thank you, Jesus.
No, in life, God. It doesn't matter what I buy, whether it's nice, whether it's glittering like gold, whether it's solid. So, this outfit just listen, measure it.
A man that is a daughter of an accused witch woman and transform her into a
So that
beautiful
it's
woman.
matching.
May God bless you.
When you wear that, even
God
me,
bless the
I'm
Gaucha
like,
family. God bless the entire family of Tito. I wouldn't have been here today if it were not for
Hello, beautiful Henriette. Hello, Martina. Hello, Maristella. How are you? I hope you are happy. Enjoy yourself because I'm so happy. Hey. Donc, commandez déjà vos masques. Nous avons des masques.
Pour toutes les femmes,
Nous avons des colliers
qui s'ouvrent dans le monde entier. Seigneur, ils sont tous tes enfants. Mais je sais bien, c'est toi-même. Tu vas les guider. Guide le jeune garçon, le jeune fille. La vie mariage, ce n'est pas quelque chose de facile. Mais à vous tous, mes petites sœurs, mes petits frères, il faut toujours chercher, il faut prier, parce que Dieu sait qui va venir dans ta vie.
Alléluia, Alléluia, Batsiba, Alléluia, Alléluia, Batsiba. Donc, enregistrez-vous sur nos programmes, enregistrez online programme.
But it depends on how you put it. How you Jesus, thank you for the most handsome man in the world. A man that could take the daughter of an accused witch woman and transform her into a beautiful
hello, how are you? It's Albertina again. This is the second message. I want just to find out whether the check has cleared for the shipment.
I would not be
Please,
here
when you
today
get
if it
this
were not for
message,
you.
can you
So
call
God
me
bless you,
back?
sir. I
Thank you,
respect
bye.
you. And I thank God for you. God bless you. Would you
I'm dancing for you. Enjoy it. Hey. I'm dancing for you. I'm dancing for my beautiful sister. I want her to be happy.
You don't dance for me when I come home.
The time you are sleepy, you see how Alvin is dancing. Hey. Happiness is free.
I know.
Shishim shim. Shishim shim. Never let somebody say you are not pretty. Never let somebody say you are not brilliant. Never let somebody say you are not beautiful. Never let somebody say you are not rich. Because happiness is free. Hey!
Marriage is a sacrament.
Because if happiness was not free, some people will not give you. Some people will not give you. Because if you are connected to Migrant Empowerment Group platform, enjoy it. Enjoy it. We are distributing happiness free of charge. It's free of charge. If you are upset, contact Migrant Empowerment Group to enjoy yourself maximum. If you are struggling and you have no food to eat, contact us at Migrant Empowerment Group. We are doing the food bank. We are donating food free of charge. We don't want you to starve yourself. We don't want you to be lonely in your house. We don't want a man to kill you because you are begging. Women, we are good. We are strong. Who born a man if it's not you? We are women who born men. It means we need to educate them. We need to tell them what to do. We need to tell them how life is. If you're a good woman, you will give education to your children, isn't it? It means that man is your child. You need to give education. We need to tell them what to do. And if you have a man on your side who are breaking you down, just do like this. Say, go. Go. Because you are a queen. You are a queen. You are a winner. You are a winner and you always be a winner. Les gagnants, vous êtes où? N'oubliez surtout pas de prendre des produits Heavy pour commencer de l'intérieur à nettoyer. À nettoyer de l'intérieur à l'extérieur. Booker la séance pour apprendre de nouveaux métiers chez Migrant Empowerment Group. L'intégration gratuite dans la Grande-Bretagne. L'intégration. Et nous sommes en train d'installer notre plateforme. Nous avons déjà une branche au niveau du Cameroun. Donc bientôt, dans quelques mois, tout serait déjà top. Donc la branche Migrant Empowerment Group serait installée à Yaoundé pour dire non à l'immigration clandestine. Ok? Bientôt une branche installée au Cameroun pour qu'on puisse dire non à l'immigration clandestine. Il faut qu'on apprenne à éduquer. Il faut qu'on apprenne à éduquer. Il faut qu'on apprenne à dire à nos frères et sœurs que malgré que vous êtes encore au pays, l'intégration est très importante. L'intégration est très importante parce que en visitant Migrant Empowerment Group au niveau du Cameroun, vous allez apprendre des métiers. Vous allez devenir des entrepreneurs. Vous allez créer. On doit vous aider à créer vos business. Business.
Experience for me, and that's why today I want to say thank you to my husband. If it were not for him, I would be nothing today. Thank you, Jesus.
This one is a set. Earring and bracelet.
I remember you showed me the African bags. Listen. Today I wanted to carry that bag. The other one, I left them on the chair. I said, you know, in hospital, when I'm going there, you know, like the way you've marched from the tent and downstairs. When I'm sitting down, don't put your hand in.
Donc, voilà ce qu'on est en train d'apprendre. This is our new session. We're starting on Wednesday, showing people how to do embroidery with their handmade. Because by doing the embroidery, it will help you guys to stimulate your brain. To stimulate your brain, and will help you to create your own design. You need to be able to create your own brand. To create your own brand. Because my brand is heavy Isaac Vision. Parce que tu es déjà visionnaire. Et quand tu es visionnaire, tu dois créer ta brand. Tu dois créer ton design. Because you see many people, oh, I'm going to Louis Vuitton, oh, I'm going to Dolce & Gabbana, oh, I'm going to Versace. Ça, ce sont des noms des autres. Dans chez My Grand Empowerment Group, on vous apprend tout ça. On vous apprend à créer votre marque. Maman, je te dis merci.
Je prie aujourd'hui pour toutes les femmes, tous les jeunes.
On ne peut que prier pour des femmes, pour des jeunes. On ne peut que prier pour tous ceux qui sont dans le problème, qui sont dans les problèmes et qui ont besoin d'aide. We need to make sure we pray for that disadvantaged people in our community. We need to make sure we give them again that love, that happiness. Are you ready to love somebody? Are you ready to say, I love you, and it's coming from your heart? How many people always say to you, I love you, but it's a fake love? How many people say that to you? I love you, but see the smile. Even if you have a big eye like mine, you will tell this person is a liar. You will tell this person is a liar. And do you know what you will do? You smile. You just smile. You just smile. The person will say, I love you. You smile. You smile. You show the fake smile as well. You show the fake smile. And go your way. And just contact My Grand Empowerment Group, where you will have pure love. Pure love. Pure happiness. Somebody who will tell you the truth. Somebody who will cry with you. Somebody who will eat with you. Somebody who will sing with you. Somebody who will walk in the same way with you. It's better to be alone than to be with people who are hypocrites. It's better to be alone, to be with somebody who are dragging you down. It's better to sleep on your beds alone, to sleep with somebody who are just there to see what you are doing, to break you down. You get that? Est-ce que vous avez compris? Est-ce que vous avez compris exactement ce que je viens de dire là? C'est mieux d'être seul que d'être mal accompagné. C'est mieux de ne même pas avoir des amis que d'avoir des amis hypocrites. Parce qu'il y a certains amis qui sont avec vous juste pour voir ce que vous êtes en train de faire, juste pour connaître vos projets et détruire vos projets, juste pour connaître votre vie et vous faire du mal, juste pour connaître vos plans de vie. Enregistrez-vous chez My Grand Empowerment Group. L'intégration est très importante. L'intégration est très importante. Et comme je dis toujours, ne pensons pas que l'intégration c'est juste parce que nous sommes en Europe. Même étant dans notre pays d'origine, il faut qu'on essaye de s'intégrer dans la société. Even in your own country of birth, you need to make sure you are really integrated. Because if you are not integrating in your country, do you think in somebody's country you will know the integration? It's not easy. It's not easy. And I'm talking for people who is already in the diaspora. Make sure you have a better integration. Make sure you support the economy of that country. Make sure you respect the law of that country. Because sometimes we like to always judge, bring the critic, and we are doing nothing. And we are doing nothing. Migrant Empowerment Group, we are waiting for you. We are doing the fundraising to support vulnerable people living in the UK. We are doing the fundraising, supporting our brother and sister who cannot even say one word in English. For you to join Migrant Empowerment Group, for us to support them. But it will be easy for you to sit in the back and find the way to criticism. You will find the way to say, no, Migrant Empowerment Group, what are they doing? Come and knock Migrant Empowerment Group to know exactly what we are doing and bring your expertise. Because my expertise is about public health. Your expertise can be engineering. And we will help a lot of people to set up their platform. My domain is health promotion. Mama, I love you too much. Je ne peux que chanter pour ma maman, mon vieux qui est nommé Paul, de prendre le temps et accoucher une femme forte comme moi, et accoucher une femme tellement intelligente, tellement brillante, tellement belle, tellement riche, qui donne son temps à la communauté, qui donne son temps à la transformation de la vie de ceux qui sont dans le besoin, qui pense à l'épanouissement de tout le monde, dans le monde entier. Dans les programmes que nous faisons à l'instant, c'est des programmes d'éducation. Ce sont des programmes éducationnels qui doivent vous permettre à recréer votre mind. Mami Jakae, iye. Mami. Pardon? Which color you want? White. You get it? Okay. Donc, partagez la vidéo, partagez. Aujourd'hui, nous parlons de l'intégration, nous parlons de Migrant Empowerment Group. Pour ceux qui ne connaissent pas Migrant Empowerment Group, partagez la vidéo, partagez, parce qu'aujourd'hui nous parlons de Migrant Empowerment Group. Pour ceux qui ne connaissent pas Migrant Empowerment Group, c'est une ONG enregistrée en Grande-Bretagne qui travaille partout dans le monde, plus précisément au Cameroun, parce que notre première branche doit être installée au Cameroun pour réduire le taux d'immigration clandestine. Parce qu'il faut déjà qu'on essaye à éduquer notre population, il faut déjà qu'on les aide à créer des business au niveau du Cameroun, au niveau de l'Afrique. Parce qu'à la fin de la journée, c'est l'Afrique qui gagne. C'est l'Afrique qui gagne. Quels sont tes projets? Dépose tes projets chez Migrant Empowerment Group. Nous allons aider comme nous pouvons. pour des enfants handicapés. Nous sommes depuis 2013. Nous supportons des enfants handicapés. Nous supportons des enfants orphelins. Nous supportons les veuves. C'est de ça qu'il s'agit. Parce que la richesse, ce n'est pas parce que tu es très riche, ma chère. La richesse, pour soutenir quelqu'un, pour transformer la vie de ton prochain, tu ne dois pas toujours être très riche, non. Tu ne dois pas être la plus belle femme du monde, non. Tu ne dois pas être vraiment brillante. Tu ne dois pas toujours être celle-là qui est partie dans des écoles privées, qui est partie dans des universités privées, non. Tu ne dois pas être celle qui est parfaite, parce que nul n'est parfaite, ok? Tu ne dois pas être celui-là. Tu ne dois pas être celle-là, parce que je sais, tu n'es pas parfait. Moi aussi, je ne suis pas parfait, j'ai mes défauts, et toi aussi, tu as tes défauts. Mais on doit juste se compléter. On ne doit pas être là pour juger. On ne doit pas être là pour juger. J'aime très bien ce morceau, mais Lady Bling, well done, I like this song. I like this song. It motivates me, it gives me more inspiration. You will notice the time I do my life, I'm always have music in the background. Even the time I was at uni to do my dissertation, to do my assignment, I will have a loud music because it gives me inspiration. It gives me inspiration because people who have vision, you will notice they always have music in the background because they need to think in the place of others. They need to see far. What I see, how many people can see? And I want to say today, firstly, thank you to Express of Star in Wolverhampton. Thank you to join my Grand Empowerment Group this morning to support us. Thank you. I'm really appreciated. And I want to say thank you to the Queen of the UK. I want to say thank you to her. And I want to say again, thank you to Boris Johnson, our Prime Minister. Well done. Well done for everything you are doing for us. And I want to say thank you to myself. I want to say thank you to myself. I want to say thank you to my mom. I want to say thank you to my mom. I want to say thank you to my dad. That two people is the first people I need to start from them. My mom and my dad. To take time having a beautiful, a milliardaire woman. A woman who have a vision. A woman who transform negative to positive. A woman who speak on behalf of people who have no voice. A woman who can stand and speak and people listen. I want to say thank you to them. I want to say thank you to my mom and my dad. For anyone who wants to join our program, you are welcome. We are starting on Wednesday. We are starting on Wednesday. Embroidery. And for the food bank, we are still continue giving food in the community for people who don't even know how to cook. Because I can't even count how many people are trained to cook, only to cook rice. Some people don't even know how to cook rice. I'm not talking just for African, no. I'm talking for all nationality, all religion. Because my Grand Empowerment Group is a platform who welcome everybody in the community. Our platform welcome. We bring people in the community together to learn culture, to learn religion, to learn how to cook. We share our heritage. We learn different skills. We learn different tradition. You can see this this scarf. It's calling kente. It's kente, is it? It's calling kente. And I know in Ghana, that is so painful material. It's telling them something. It's their culture. That is their culture. Because we Cameroonian people, if you see this embroidery, it says something about Cameroon. It will say something about Cameroon. This embroidery, I'm showing people in the world, is the culture in Cameroon. This is a English side. That is their traditional costume. And we have a French side who have their traditional costume. But we need to be together. We need to be together. And this, you can see everyone now, they want to wear this. They not even understand the rule of this. They not even understand the rule. I'm wearing this because I'm a queen. I'm wearing this because I'm a visionary woman. I'm wearing this because I represent a painful woman. But today, everybody wants to wear it. You need to join my Grand Empowerment Group to learn about history. Oh, Vicky Gamcha. Vicky Gamcha, today, c'est elle qui est à la page, c'est elle qui coordonne la musique d'aujourd'hui. Parce que là, on doit supporter ce qui est bien. On doit supporter ce qui est bien. Donc, Vicky Gamcha, c'est une Camerounaise qui vit dans la Grande-Bretagne, plus précisément à Warsaw, dans le West Midland. Ok? Et elle est musicienne, elle est artiste. Elle est artiste qualifiée. Et vraiment, ça, ce sont ses morceaux. Ça, ce sont ses œuvres. Nous devions se mettre ensemble pour la soutenir, pour jouer ses morceaux. Nous devions être ensemble pour supporter les morceaux de Lady Bling. Lady Bling, Lady Bling, Lady Bling. Parce qu'elle nous fait penser, revoir notre culture. Elle nous fait revivre notre culture. Elle nous montre qu'étant à l'extérieur de notre pays, on doit s'attacher encore et encore à notre culture. On doit avoir encore et encore nos valeurs. Parce qu'il y a ceux qui ont complètement perdu leurs valeurs en Europe. Il y a ceux qui ont perdu leur culture, qui ont oublié leur culture, sont égarés dans la nature. Donc, je vous parle un peu de moi. This is me. C'est qui ici? Who is this? Is myself. Donc, là c'est moi-même en personne. Comme je dis, je représente la culture africaine. Je représente la femme africaine. Je représente la femme qui sécurise l'économie d'un pays. Je représente la femme qui sécurise les finances de la famille, ok? Donc, une femme doit sécuriser ses enfants, ok? C'est la raison pour laquelle vous me voyez ici avec mon bébé au dos. Parce que moi, je dois montrer aux enfants, je dois montrer à la population qu'il faut sécuriser sa famille. Il faut sécuriser sa famille. Et en même temps, nous parlons de l'économie. Nous parlons de l'économie. Donc voilà, une bonne femme, c'est celle-là qui se lève très tôt et se couche tard. Une bonne femme, c'est celle-là qui se lève très tôt et se couche tard parce que tu penses à la réussite. Ça, c'est le bois. Tu te lèves, tu peux au marché avec ton bois sur ta tête. Tu peux vendre pour l'économie de ton pays. Now, il me faut maintenant dire ça en langue yemba. Parce que moi, je suis bilingue. Je suis bilingue, je fais l'effort de parler au moins 3 langues. Maintenant, je dois parler en yemba. Donc, je pour me At the minute, I want to speak about the tradition. At the minute, I want to speak about the economy. At the minute, I want to speak my language. The background need to be calm because I love my country. I love my tradition. I need to respect. I need to say it but with respect. And this woman you are seeing here is represent the person who are talking. This woman is represent the woman you can see in front of you. This is why my background need to be very calm for you to listen. And I know somebody is in the hospital bed at the moment and she is struggling. My brother, my sister, you are not alone. Be strong. We are together. I'm here. I'm praying for you. I know tomorrow you will say that woman would give me a strange. I was in the hospital bed and I received the email. I received the video from her. She was giving a painful thought. Brother, sister, you are not alone. We are here for you. We are here for you. This is why I give my time 24/7 for you guys. I give my time 24/7 for you to be strong. I want to tell you, you are so beautiful. I want to tell you, you are so rich. I want to tell you, you are brilliant. I want to tell you, you are perfect. You are strong. You are so strong. I can see you, you are strong. But sometimes you just want to think you are lonely. You are not alone. Get out from loneliness. Say to your doctor, I want to meet the founder of My Ghana Empowerment Group. The woman who give happiness free of charge. The woman who is always colorful. She wears colorful stuff that is bringing the happiness of everyone I'm meeting in my way. Because at the minute I step out, all my neighbors, they start smiling. They start smiling. Everyone want to say, oh, hello, hello. The children, if I go to pick my children from school, oh my God, every child want to come to my house. That is a power. And that power is coming from God. That power is coming from God. I want to tell you today, you are so good. I want to tell you, you are so good. Never put yourself down. Never think you cannot do something. If Alvin Nume can do it, you will do it. If Alvin Nume can do it, I'm really sure you will do it. And you can do it. Are you with me? Okay, let's go back in Yemba language. Now I'm in Cameroon, in West Cameroon. I'm talking to my follower who speak just Yemba. And after this live, I want to do one video because Overhampton Council and my friendly city, they want me to do one video making face mask and training people with my language, which is Yemba. It means you will have one video making face mask in Yemba language. Because I know some people, they are struggling with English. Myself, I'm struggling, but I'm very proud by standing in front of millions of people and give my voice. But some people, they cannot do it. It's not their fault. This is why in life, people like me can be there on front to speak on behalf of others. Mangsati mbongbong shunzam ali ila ajo tutso organiser kabale alingo you check itetsongo unanga si pour quelques minutes ina anjarni ngoi nyingeli le mungu utila tuojo uzu ngoi ulinanga singe ngongo anjongo a ila fugala tutwoza jo tutso kwatin funga My Ghana Empowerment Group kwatin funga tongo wuk wo pe jopa amero khopop inju wo pe jopa amero khopop inju ngo yikol ko kwantenge uzi sawe nombre tinsap ozi pobo tutso kwatin funga wuk wo pe jopa amero khopop ndonzi sa membe tembo ma wa ngwo minjugo ipessenger la mangwet minjugo ipessenger la mangwet pepenjo mboma nkwere mon kate mo polenge me amben kwere mon kate andronge kre mon kwere mon an kate andronge tutso minju tingole minju o ponte wuli chitu won khutu le lo won khme ngkhmga au ponte le chite famille tout le leur famille mais la pote pejo moment emo un kwere na mante teti la au ponte où lim chite pour non ali zon un côté où te pote teti inje woblu ngpozu Ingong opong ishonge ingong te pa apotin jopo le awol zinda nga pot sinin siznop le awol zinda awol wemenumi wo pepen kish ngota a njop amel khop ifa me solution pepen jo ngwembo onching mo onching at fomang pa ndongo nga a chamango ka ifa onching ndongo sa ishing ila mo ofa onching met ndongo ndo sa shing a ndong wie ta ndola ndo shang nga nchiti won khpo utwonya ngonzu ngo fanching ngo shing ndo shang net nchiti won khu nchiti po people lezon nchiti po ipoposito sin kon nchiti po people kon donc mo généraliser nchiti po mitsam parce que nyingi to kon la yemelinge wo inspiration Ni tout kon la yemelingu inspiration et pour pipa pongolizon en kon la et moi pour kon aro hypocrisie moi pour kon a ero hypocrisie lo la jeune na sil une jupe ou long jeune nga kon teke am mo ofi i mo nga yipola opena fonto am ofi i mo nga yipola we nga mo yimbongambu Wengang mo yimbongombu. Il a il est transformé, je me dis négativement là, il le résimbon. D'abord, papa le, maman le, ma siakni tes antia. Ma siakno we tes antia. An li il azi, pe lu kwanting de pe ko nongoko. Inzemo pa amang. Ma chakno papa le ma chakno mama mun sem fo po mi no ishuni if in a way mun sem fo po I ship the wop if in a way ndi lambu enezasi njo pe ship te po mi no ndi pre enezasi njo mara ayu pe we mi rapte ndo teble mungon krepo azemete me uzemo uzinef ambon Uzemo uzinef ambon. Ma sarni tes ansia. Thank you so much. Now we need to continue in English. I was talking in my trap language, Yemba. I was talking to my trap language, Yemba, because I need to make sure my mom can understand. I need to make sure my dad can understand, because these are the two people I will say well done to them. Because I will never. The time I imagine the day that two people come together, I have a beautiful girl like me, a beautiful woman who can speak on behalf of women who have no voice, who can speak on behalf of men who have no voice, who can have a vision to transform the economy of different countries. I say well done to them. And I want to say thank you to our Prime Minister. He's a painful man. Boris Johnson, you're a painful man. You have a vision. You have a vision. And I can read that vision. Tu es un visionnaire. Pour ceux qui n'ont pas encore compris ta politique, enregistrez-vous chez My Grand Empowerment Group. Vous allez mieux comprendre la politique que ce grand homme est en train d'installer dans la Grande-Bretagne. Donc déjà, nous les immigrants, on doit apprendre à être ensemble. Merci Matou, merci à tous ceux qui sont connectés. Merci à les cœurs. J'aime les cœurs, vous savez. J'aime l'amour. Parce que sur ma plateforme, je distribue gratuitement. Parce que si c'est l'être humain qui donnait même la joie, qui donnait le souffle de vie, c'est qu'il y a certains qui ne donnent pas aux autres. Mais My Grand Empowerment est là. My Grand est là pour supporter ceux qui n'ont pas de voix. Matou, merci. My Grand Empowerment Group est là pour supporter ceux qui sont sans voix. Enregistrez-vous chez My Grand Empowerment Group. Donc ce matin, je suis tellement contente. I'm just so happy. Isn't it, Tina? What happened this morning? What happened this
The
morning?
Express and Star, when they came, first they were standing outside, and I don't know why they couldn't.
Because of
come.
COVID. You know,
Yes,
because of
but
COVID, the videogram man, she
Yes,
can't come
but
inside.
Listen, I
Yeah,
want to say something. That man who came
yeah.
is okay.
The coordinator of the community.
He was
She,
brilliant.
doing the interview.
Listen
Yeah.
to me. When he came here, I was looking at him. He was taking pictures and he listened to what we were talking about.
Yeah.
So he's going to put it in on Express and Star to support your business.
Thank you.
That man was standing outside. I can't even go there.
Yeah. Donc, je ne peux pas laisser, elle explique vraiment beaucoup parce que déjà, elle est venue déjà apprendre certains skills parce qu'aujourd'hui, il faut qu'elle apprenne à comment faire son bracelet. Donc, elle est là pour son bracelet et puis, il fallait qu'elle aussi soit sur les photos qui doivent être diffusées sur des journaux dans le West Midlands qu'on appelle Express and Star. Et dans quelques jours, je dois partager le lien sur ma page pour vous dire, nous sommes dans un pays où quand on fait bien, eux apprécient. Donc, arrêtons aussi par moment à critiquer. Arrêtons par moment de trop critiquer. Parce que nous sommes dans un pays où quand tu travailles, même l'aveugle qui ne voit pas, mais il te voit parler tous les jours, il te comprend parler. Même s'il ne te voit pas, il comprend. Il touche ce que tu fais et il apprécie. Ce que les Africains doivent comprendre, on doit essayer de s'intégrer. Et nous avons la plateforme Migrant Empowerment Group, c'est là. Nous sommes les championnes, nous sommes les gagnantes. Nous sommes les gagnants. Parce qu'à la fin de la journée, ces gens ont besoin de nous. Est-ce que vous le savez, mes chéris? Mes frères, est-ce que vous le savez? Ces gens ont besoin de nous. Ces gens ont besoin des gens qui sont déterminés. Mais si nous passons seulement le temps à critiquer, à les juger, à ne rien faire, et croire que peut-être en se couchant dans la maison, ça doit tomber. Non. We need to be together. We need to work hard. We need to stop judging people. We Africans, we need to stand together. We need to stand together. We need to support each another. We need to learn to hold people's hand. We need to stop dragging others down. We need to share. We need to learn to share. That is a problem we have. That is a problem we have. Because I cannot count how many people always told me, why you share all the skills you have. I must share the skills. My domain is public health. My domain is public health. Health promotion. J'ai choisi health promotion. I choose that domain because I like to prevent. Because I'm that kind of person who can see what is coming. Like since the children start to go back to school, if you can go back to my different video on my page, you will see what the founder of Migrant Empowerment Group was saying. I was talking about our children being on the front line at the moment. And what the government are saying about the face mask. Because in the starting point, the government said the children must go back to school, but they don't have a right. They know if they want, they can wear the mask. If they want, they can wear the mask. And the parent, they was telling parents, if your child go back to school and she's coughing or she's hot or she's feeling like she have COVID, they will take the children straight to the hospital. Even they will not ask you. I step out and say, what? We need to open our eyes. We need to take care to our children. It's not because the government said that you will send your children out to school with no mask. Because I can see the problem who is coming. And the problem who was coming, it was a number of children who will now increase in having COVID-19. Because as soon the child will have COVID, he will bring it home. And you know the person will start dying is a parent. It's a parent because the parent, vous savez, le système est déjà down. You see, they change. They change again that law. Because even they sat down, they think again. I think some people even view my life. And they say, ah, we need to review this thing. We need to review the law. We need to review. And you see the statistic of people who are dying before 30 people can come together. Before 30 people can come together to have a little bit of party or to sit together and enjoy themselves. Now, from Monday, from next Monday, it's 6 people. It's 6 people. I don't know if you listen to the news. It's 6 people. From Monday, it's now 6 people. Our children is on front line. Brother and sister, please, we have face mask. Migrant Empowerment Group have face mask. We have face mask for children and for adults. Make sure you use your face mask, because if they catch you with no face mask, you know the law. It's £100. All the time they will catch you, £100, £100. It will go to, I think they said 3,000 plus. It will go to 3,000 plus. Do you even have money to give to your mom? Hey! Do you even have money to buy your pant? I don't know. Do you even have money to buy AV product to clean yourself? Please, I want you to contact Migrant Empowerment Group to grab your face mask. Where is the one I have before? Let me show them. You know, because sometimes people, it's difficult for them to understand. Some people, you speak, I don't know, it's like it's just enter in the right side and just go out in the left side. Sometimes they need to see. The eyes will just be connected on it. This is the face mask. Okay? This is the face mask. We have adult and we have children. My sister, I want to call you my sister because we are one. We are together. I don't want you to pay £100. £100 is too much. £100 is too much. It can change a life of people who want to set up their business. Do you know that this same £100, if you donate to Migrant Empowerment Group, because we are doing the fundraising to do the startup, to do more program in the community. Do you know that the same £100, if they catch you because you have no face mask, that's the same £100, you can come and grab one face mask for free and donate that £100 to change people's life. Because that's the same £100. Imagine if a Migrant Empowerment Group just give £50 to one person to start a business. Do you know how much the person can earn a year? Do you know how the person will bless you? Do you know how change you are bringing in somebody's life? Do you know the difference you are bringing in somebody's life? Do you rich? Are you rich? No. You just care. You just care enough. You just have a care heart. You just want to see somebody happy. Please, visit Migrant Empowerment Group to grab your face mask. We need to support each another. African, where are you? Because I can see you with my big eyes. Yeah, I can see you there. I can see you. Share the video. The time I do the video, some people even hiding themselves. Because after finish the live, you will see 2,000 people, 1,500 people connected. But the time you was talking, you can just see one head. You can just see 2 heads. Why you are hiding yourself for? You scared to somebody to see you supporting Migrant Empowerment Group platform? Or you are scared because you always sit with your hypocrite friend and they said, oh, Migrant Empowerment Group, we cannot support. It's your platform. Migrant is you. We are migrating in the UK. It means we need to support each another. It means we need to come together and learn and love each another. Because end of the day, we need to stop complaining.
Yes.
We need to stop complaining.
Yes.
Everything you want, this country will give you.
Yes.
Everything you want, this country is ready to give to you. Everything you want, this country, the UK is ready to give to you. I went to Downing Street, I'm black. I went to the parliament, I'm black. I'm supporting the economy of this country, I'm black. I'm doing everything I want, but I'm black. It means it's not a discrimination. If we can understand, we need to have the better integration and love each another. Guys, you will see many things will change. We just need to change our mentality. Because we African, we like to complain. You will see a man with and the woman. They get married. The time you get married, you say, now we are one. But why are you shouting? Are you complaining for each another? You are doing competition in your relation. It's not healthy. If you start at home, you are not even happy at home. Do you think you will be happy outside? No. We need to start home. This is why I'm always said business, charity. Charity start home. If you cannot give something to your child to eat, if you cannot give something to your wife or to your husband, and you are not thinking about getting something back, you will not do that outside. You will not do that outside. We African, please, Migrant Empowerment Group, be happy, be proud, own your destiny. Because Alvin knew me. I own my destiny here. You will say negative thought, I will take your negative and just transform it to a positive. You will say you will never make it, I will show you the next side to make it. Because I know who I am, I know what I'm doing, I know where I'm going. I'm using that negative talk. I'm using because you are not supporting my business. I will move on. I will use that to challenge myself. I will use that to challenge myself. Because people I work in the site is queen, is minister, who have vision, who want to transform the economy of the country, who think positively about change. About change. This is why, guys, I'm with you. I'm with you. And we need to transform our life. We need to learn to be more positive than negative. We need to learn to see somebody in face and say, yes, you are so clever, you are so rich, you are so beautiful, you are so. We need to give that positive information because the person in front of you need that positive information. We need to stop dragging people down with negative thought. We have let's finish with this because I'm waiting for the COVID to finish and we have the painful conference. We will have an open painful conference that day. More than 3,000 people in the room. I already find the room. 3,000 people. We come together to have a talk. We have a panel with different speakers and they will tell you about their journey. I went to the parliament to talk about my journey. And the member of parliament was saying, wow, the mouth was like this. Some was crying. Because your problem make you strong. What you went through make you strong. Never think you are alone. This table you are seeing behind me, this is me and this is what I'm doing in the UK. I get this from the parliament. I don't even know when they design. I don't even know when they designed this, but they give to me in the parliament in London. Okay? Be happy. Be proud. Own your destiny. Happiness is free. Let's continue. And we will meet another day. God bless you all. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And continue share this video. Bye-bye.
Bye.